Welcome to this journey of learning German, one step at a time. This series is for anyone who wants to speak German with confidence, whether starting from zero or returning after a break. Think back to how we all learned our first language. We didn't begin with grammar books or long vocabulary lists. We listened, we copied, we connected words with actions, we repeated, and over time, it just made sense. That's the natural way to learn a language, and that's what this series is built around. Instead of memorizing endless grammar rules, we'll focus on what actually works, listening and repeating real sentences, learning patterns through daily examples, adding useful words over time, practicing regularly, even just 10 minutes a day. The goal is to go from A1 to C1, slowly, steadily, and without pressure. Each episode will introduce you to new vocabulary, clear sentence patterns, and examples you can start using right away. We learn together, and as we go, feel free to share your progress in the comments. Let's build a friendly community where we support, motivate, and grow with each other. In the next video, we'll explore how German sentences are structured and what vocabulary we need to build from A1 to C1. Let's make this journey simple, joyful, and consistent. See you in episode 2.